So I would support reservation should be there. Why? Because reservation
Economically weak people should also be
Understand
supported.
what the reservation is. So let me make
Somewhere you are wrong also because
Friends, how are you? I'm good, and today we are going to play panel debate, and there are the four candidates: Nitin, Apit, Gaurav, and Rashika. And today, what you are going to support?
reservation should be there.
Okay, and you?
Reservation should not be there.
So, my dear, there are the two teams you have here. One is saying reservation should be, and you should not be. Through this game, you have to learn something, and you will learn something. So please watch this video till the end. Keep watching. You will enjoy. So let's start a debate. It's a whose crowd you are looking here. You have to learn many things. You will learn many things. So now, want to speak first?
Okay, so I would support reservation should be there. Why? Because reservation is that thing, because with the help of the reservation we can understand a lot of things. Reservation is really important for each and every people. Why? If I'm talk about that people who are belong to a lower caste, so on that time reservation is most important, not only the education in each and every sector. Why? Because in previously, so you know very well what happened in previously, that I would say that because of the Bhimrao Ambedkar we are decreasing that kind of things. And the next thing is that in a reservation, I would say because of the reservation we are doing a great work. We are working with each other. That's the matter.
Okay, so when you are saying that lower caste should be supported by the reservation, so don't you think that economically weak people should also be supported? Because if there will be reservation for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, if they are rich, so why they can get the reservation in every job? I don't think so that reservation should be there on the basis, especially on the basis of caste, because it is a curse for any nation. If we see any developed nation in the world, so they don't have reservation system. So that is why if we have to develop also our nation, so we should not think that reservation should be the criteria for getting any job.
So as brother you are talking about the reservation, so you need to understand that EWS, there is a section, economical weaker section, for the poor people. So you need to update the knowledge, I think. And the second thing is that if you are not able to understand what the reservation is, so let me make you understand that reservation is the particular criteria for providing some kind of relaxation for those people who are not able to achieve their success in their life. For instance, the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, they belong to the rural and ruralist area. They are not able to achieve these kind of services we are getting right now, because we live in Delhi. It is for us it is extremely easy to say that yes, reservation should be banned. But what about those people who are living in a rural area and they are not even getting the safe water to drink? So I think you need to think about them also.
I think you are right, but somewhere you are wrong also, because we are living in the Delhi in city, and here those people who comes under in the journal, still they are facing a lot of problem. They are comes under in the poverty. Even you will see there are many slums area where the people live, and they are facing a lot of problems, and they are comes under in the SC and OBC. Not this is not like that. They are comes under like the journal, and clearly I can say that if we are a peoples, so we should think that we all are equal, because our constitution totally clear that yes, all peoples are equal. There is no discrimination between the peoples, and clearly I can say that if I will separate the peoples here few minutes, so sometimes they will think in their mind that somewhere I am liking them and I am not liking them also, means they will think something in their mind. So it's totally indicating that all peoples are equal, and we should treat them as a equal. We do not discriminate the peoples by through the reservation. That's all.
Okay, so the firstly, ma'am, you are talking about the reservation. So why you are demanding in a bus a separate seat if you don't like the reservation? So because of that, if you are demanding in a bus, so why you are not supporting in the whole nation? The second thing is that you are talking about the reservation. So you need to understand the mentality. In previously, people are, in fact, now a time also, just go in a Bihar, UP, and that kind of many more states where their parents are not there to teach them child, I would say. The second thing is that they are not able to understand what is the value of education. But there are a lot of who are belong to the general, their ancestors are educated. Just because of it, they are giving their child education. But you need to understand about the value of education. But there are a lot of, and in fact, the several parents are there who are not able to understand the value of education. That's the thing.
Okay, brother, you are talking about the EWS category of reservation. So only 10% reservation is there. 50% reservation based on the caste. So it is the big chunk of caste reservation, I can say. And you are saying that scheduled caste and scheduled tribe are weaker. You are not saying, you are declaring that they are weaker and they need reservation for getting job. So I don't think so that we should feel that they are weaker and we should give them reservation. And the second thing is that because of the reservation, the journal are facing a lot of problem because they are not able to get the job even after getting the good marks. And the people belongs to that category, they don't get these kind of marks and they get the job. So don't you think that it will degrade the development of the nation because we will have the uncapable people on the good seats of government? So think about that before.
Okay, so I think that I have a views diametrically opposed of yours. Why? Because India is the diverse place, and India is the diverse country where we can say that yes, different cultures, different people, different mentalities take place. So I need to means we need to understand that if we are having one rule for one nation, so I don't think that, as you were talking about the developed nation, so only they are having the one language, only they are having the one color of skin. But if I talk about the India on the other hand, so we are having the different languages in the different states. So we need to implement the different rules in different states according to their choices. Let me give you a logical example that if means as you are that elder, right? So you must be having responsibilities from your parents, from your relatives, from your friends. But when you used to be the 5 years old, so you used to have the same responsibilities as you are having right now. So it is not like that, right? So we need to give the responsibilities according to their levels, so the person will be able to handle these kind of opportunities and these kind of responsibilities. We need to understand. That's why for general caste, because they are established already from means it's been more than 75 years since we are having the freedom in our nation. So it's been more than 75 years and they already have established themselves. But if I talk about the scheduled tribes, scheduled castes, and they are not able to establish themselves, even they are not able to go to public places just because of the discrimination. They have to face the discrimination every time, every stage of their life. So for providing some kind of extra right, so I think it is the easy for them, so they can develop their self as well. So that is my point.
Okay, so if I will see the data of the reservation, so definitely I will see the rich peoples are becoming too rich and the people who comes under in the poverty, they are becoming too poor. So it is totally indicating us that we are just playing and our politicians are playing one game, the reservation is there or not. Instead of that, we should think about the poverty, that the poverty is increasing day by day, and the peoples who are living in the slum areas, we should think about them, and about the peoples that we all are equal, and those the peoples who are doing too much hard work, and because of the reservation they are not getting the government jobs, and those they are not doing that much hard work and still they are getting the government jobs. I don't think that this is the equality. This is not called equality. And apart from it, that if I see the people, so there are many people who are totally indicating that, totally saying that yes, reservation is not good and we all are equal and we should not support it.